Everybody is preparing for the 2024-2025 bull run in crypto. People are preparing to become crypto millionaires for the first time. If you're already a crypto millionaire, you're probably looking to make more millions, or if you're just getting started, you're starting to learn about how you can make money in this crypto asset. But today, I want to give you guys a quick warning, okay? I am very bullish on 2024 and 2025. A bull cycle is coming, but I'm going to give you guys a warning that there may be a massive sell-off around the corner for a couple reasons that I want to explore for you guys in this conversation. Now, by no means am I bearish on crypto in any capacity, but in case you got some heavy positions in altcoins right now, or if you're thinking about making trades, or if you just want to understand where we're potentially at in this market and what comes next, we're going to talk about that in this video, guys, for Bitcoin, for crypto overall, altcoins. Let's get into it. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content. And let's talk about Bitcoin right now. The overall market cap's at a $1.66 trillion market cap. We're still teetering up. Bitcoin dominance is down a little bit. Altcoins have been rallying as of late. Bitcoin currently sitting at $42,200. Ethereum just below $2,300. And Solana is retracing its way down from its previous highs that it's been sitting around the $100 price level. A lot of these tokens have been pretty stagnant lately. Binance just had a little bit of a big boost. But what happened this year was a very, very bullish thing, guys, overall. Everybody's been excited about this Bitcoin ETF that is getting launched. And so what happened is September, October, November, and December were bullish. And this really all started to get crazy in October. October was when the fake news came out about a Spot Bitcoin ETF for BlackRock being approved. That wasn't true, but still, people went crazy and started buying this like insane people. We had a mini bull cycle leading into this full-fledged bull market that I expect to come in 2024 and 2025 in correspondence with the Bitcoin halving. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you should probably go back and watch some of the other videos, because if you don't know what the Bitcoin halving is by now, you got a lot of learning to do in crypto. Just go ahead and Google it for yourself. But overall, guys, this year has been a very bullish year, and I just want to make you guys know pullbacks are possible. We had a couple slight pullbacks this year, but overall, we had almost entirely upward momentum this year. So what I want to warn you guys about is when this Bitcoin ETF actually gets approved, which could be coming on January 10th, as soon as January 10th, maybe even before that. What might happen is a couple things. One, a sell the news event might occur. Well, what does that mean? Well, people buy the rumor, buy the excitement on this thing that's going to come out. Oh, there's an exciting thing coming. I better buy this so that I'm in the market for when this thing launches. This is the mentality that people have. But then the people that have been buying these leading up to this event and catching all these gains, when this news comes out, everybody's going to go, okay, it's a thing. Then the question is, are people going to start selling and taking profits right away? And that's something that is certainly possible, guys. There's also something else to consider. We typically see one dip before each bull market. This could be that dip. It could be perfectly timed with that dip. Also, in the traditional market, what you typically see is in the beginning of Q1 after the year, you see some profit taking usually in Q1 for the traditional market. Now, let me be very, very clear. This does not have to happen, guys. In fact, if the crypto market were just to absolutely explode when this ETF comes out, that wouldn't surprise me in the slightest. I'm going to give it a 50-50 chance, but we have to acknowledge both sides. We can't just say a spot Bitcoin ETF is going to be approved, so billions of dollars are going to flow in overnight and we're all going to get rich January 11th, the day after the ETF is launched. It doesn't work exactly like that. It's not perfectly black and white. There are profit-taking strategies that people will be utilizing. The whales will certainly be utilizing that throughout this bull cycle. There will be many profit-taking opportunities, and this could potentially be one coming up. Now, looking at the price of crypto overall, the overall market cap is teetering right now on the edge of a $1.63 trillion market cap. We are not at previous all-time highs, which was at about $3 trillion. I do believe that we could get upwards of a $10 trillion market cap in this cycle, possibly even up to $20 trillion. A lot of people like to compare Bitcoin to gold. If Bitcoin flipped gold, that is a $12 or $13 trillion market cap for Bitcoin alone, which, remember, is 50% of the market. So what I'm telling you guys is, yes, there is a lot of upside for Bitcoin and crypto. But you should check out this key channel, because when the Spot Bitcoin ETF is finally announced, then we're going to see some volatilities. And I can almost guarantee you, I can tell you, Bitcoin, if it doesn't break out of this triangle before that date, it will break out of this triangle one way or another. Now, that could be to the downside. If so, Bitcoin would break down below $41,855, could hit a target of, at the very least, to the downside, $38,000, possibly even have some really tough event, moving us down to 32 or even 25K, worst case scenario in my mind. Maybe it could, if it gets really bad, we can go back to the $19,000 levels. I highly doubt it, guys. I would at the very least expect to bounce off this 37K level if we got this $38,000 level if we got a sell the news event. But if people just started buying Bitcoin and institutions started FOMOing into Bitcoin through this ETF vehicle, we could see a breakout through the $44,000 price level, get into a 50K Bitcoin, and possibly even hit all-time highs in Q1 of 2024. Guys, it could play out either way. There is no guarantee either way, but I'll tell you this. It could go up or down. A lot of people get annoyed when we say that on the channel, but I'm going to tell you this. I believe in a bull cycle, and my strategy doesn't change one way or another. Now, if you're leverage trading, or if you're considering trading, or if you're heavy in altcoins, if Bitcoin collapses, your altcoins are going to bleed heavier. If Bitcoin roars, your altcoins are probably going to produce tremendous gains. So there's two sides to that play. But regardless of what happens, I am maintaining my positions. I'm out of some of these meme tokens right now, and I'm very much in some of the tried and true things that I believe in. I've got one or two little small positions in some highly speculative things. I've got a big entry in, obviously, the Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm trying to get into Solana. I'm big into the Cronos ecosystem right now. I'm big on the BRC20 and looking at the SRC20 ecosystems right now. But these are high risk plays at the moment. Regardless of any of the short-term volatility that comes for crypto, I am consistently buying through the fall of 2024. Now, if you guys want to learn more about crypto and understand why I have that belief of these cycles and why I'm buying into the fall of 2024 and what I'll be buying this entire time, you guys should subscribe to the channel to consider watching more of this content to try to learn more about this space and get in the know about everything crypto and Bitcoin, guys. It is going to be a wild Q1. This is a huge event, one of the biggest of all time for crypto. Institutional investors are about to get into Bitcoin. Do we have a sell-off beforehand? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. That's my warning for you guys in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.